this first one you'll probably recognize because I've worn this one the most recent. Okay, what are y'all thinking? Toss or keep? Right now I have it waved. This unit is from Unice. I trimmed like some money pieces, but I didn't actually ever really cut this way. So this is it, and it's like fully natural state. It's got a pretty nice hairline, if you can tell. This is like toss, keep. I think we're gonna keep her. Okay, this literally looks like something that's been ran over. What is that? Okay, this one, I can't remember the brand, but this was a collaboration. This was a unit that was, sent to me for free. And I remember that I cut bangs into it because it didn't used to have bangs. So let's see. Oh gosh, this is disgusting. Like it actually smells just like not the most fresh. I don't know what it smells like because it doesn't smell like gross, but it kind of just smells like hairspray. And also by Toss, I mean I'm mailing them to my sister. These are all like human hair wigs. I'm not gonna just throw them away. They were a few $100, but okay. This one is just like cute on me, guys. It like definitely ages me a little bit, I think because the length, but I don't know, something about this one is actually cute. Let's see. I don't know why this one just gives me like Saved by the Bell vibes or something. Like it's just like so cute. Toss or keep. This would also look really cute on my sister. I think we'll keep her. Like it's just so easily, like effortlessly cute. Okay, let's get in here. 7%. I'm gonna have to go grab my phone here in a sec. So this was another unit that was sent to me. This one's longer. I actually loved. I have two that are like longer. Is this? Ew, did I wear that deep of a fucking part? That's disgusting. I know damn good and well that didn't look good on me. I know damn good and well. So, okay, Kiana. Ugh. It's just not even sitting right on my head. So this one, I think, just because if I remember right, I have two units that are like very, very, very similar. And I think this is the one with the bigger curls and the other one had kind of tighter curls. I think this is the one I want to keep if I, like I said, I have two curly units. I believe this is the one I want to actually keep, but because now that I am better at applying wigs, I would give it another shot. I remember me and my ex took our engagement pictures and I wore this unit and I looked just super duper pretty. It's really knotted. But I also know my sister, she's not really gonna probably detangle this. She probably just would be like, yeah, why did you even do that? So what do y'all think? Toss or keep? I know you can't get the vision right now. I'm gonna try to sell it to you in a different way. But this is actually a really cute unit. Updo's the works, and it's like one of my favorite units for winter. So, toss, keep. I mean, I didn't detangle it fully, but we're gonna go ahead and keep her. recent. Ooh. This used to be my favorite little black bob. The camera's critically low. Let me save this. I did dye this like red recently. This is kind of like my mom hair. Like, I love this bob though. I don't love it red. I can't believe I did that. But, and you can't tell, but like, this is actually just like a really nice unit. And also I don't feel bad if I don't have a whole bunch to toss, just because like I do this a couple times a year and I've already given my sister like 4 units. I wish I would have done this at the beginning of the year, but it's okay. This one does still smell like hair dye though. I don't love that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and send this one to my sister. Enjoy, sissy. Okay. This one was also sent to me and I just never got it. Like, I never got it. It's a weird length. It's not a bob. It's almost like what you would go into a salon when your hair's like damaged and like before they're about to cut like 5 inches off of it. And you would go in and be like, oh, my hair is damaged. Like, I need a good haircut. Like, that is like the length of this hair. Like, it's just so weird. And like, this is the part. Like, that's the parting. Ugh, what the fuck? Okay, y'all, what are you thinking? And this does not have bangs. Like, that's how, like, this wig just, like, pissed me off from the jump. I'll never forget. Toss or keep? We're going toss. This is a Polly Younger wig. I actually like this wig because it's just so cute to me. I'm also always one mental health breakdown away from like literally cutting my hair into a pixie, if that helps you. So this is an old lady wig. This was my my grandma. She used to buy wigs, but I think this is cute. Like, this gives old lady baddie, and in my head I'm like, keep it because you might be an old lady for Halloween one year. Like, that's good quality. Like, I can give it like almost Marcel looking looks just by flicking. Baby, yeah, this is a keeper, period. It's giving Cadillac Records Beyonce. I would rather go blind, boy, than to see you walk away from me. Child, no, no, no. Okay, keeping her. That was the end of that bag. I've got 3% left. I've gotten through a lot more than I thought. Oh, this isn't really a wig. I'm definitely sending this to my sister, though. I never wore it. I thought it was going to be like a ponytail with braids, and like this is what it is. And it just doesn't look good on me. Do you want to build a snowman? It's getting like black on it. Or freaking, I'm thinking Tangled. Anyways, keep, toss. Baby, you're going away. And what's this? Oh, these are my clip-ins. This is what my hair used to look like. Dark roots. I'm gonna go ahead and keep these because even though I did color my hair black to black, like I may not keep it that way. So we're gonna go ahead and keep these because clip-ins are one of those things I can get like recolored and XYZ. Let's see what else. We'll get down to the nitty-gritty. Got a couple packs of braiding hair, which I'm gonna keep because in December I'm gonna do my own hair when we go out of town for a couple of weeks. A little bit more braiding hair. This is, oh, that's right. I bought this like kinky coily hair to do twists. I'm actually gonna keep this and I am gonna twist my hair. So there's that. One more bag. It looks like we've got at least a unit or two in here. Okay, yeah, this is the one I want to send to my sister because it's not as tangled and like I have the ability to get through that other wig. I don't think my sister does. So it's just like worn. And I guess I wore it in a middle part. I doubt it. I was not a middle part girl to this year. Toss, keep, toss. Let's see, last one, and this is one of my favorites. This is the Rena wig, and it's probably gonna die, so I'm so sorry. Thank you guys so much for coming along on this video with me. I really appreciate you. Hopefully you had fun. My sister's gonna enjoy getting this wig. This is my first blonde wig. This one makes me feel like a bad bitch. And I don't care what anyone says, this one makes me feel like a baddie. So this was also the first wig I actually paid like actual money for, because all those other ones I pretty much had sent to me by companies. Oh my god. This is just not in the best condition. I would probably do another blonde wig again. It's like Daenerys Targaryen blonde, but it almost looks like rose gold. Okay, so like I'm also just sending a whole box of stuff to my sister. So I went through, I was gonna put all these wigs up, but I'm actually gonna wash them later today and then put them up. So once my wigs will get put away clean. But I actually just also found this set of clip-ins, and these are like old ones. And my sister has short hair, so honestly, these will work for her. She could definitely do something with this set of clip-ins. So I am going to send her this set of clip-ins, which actually makes me feel better since I ended up keeping a set as well, and those ones are nicer quality. I'll send my sissy these so she can upgrade her look if she wants to. So yeah. But wait, there's more. No, I'm serious. Last one for real this time. This one I have like a love-hate relationship with. It's truly a afro wig. Like, this is big. Y'all, she's big. Yeah. Does kind of have like a bang. So let me show you. The construction of it's really actually nice. It's just too much hair. Clips in the front, clip in the back. Trash or keep. This is actually in the only one going to the real trash can, guys. So truly the end of a video. I'll catch you in the next one.